Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show everyone on how to load drone images into your AutoCAD Civil 3D in less than 3 minutes. So you just need to launch into your AutoCAD Civil 3D, a new work environment, and make sure you already have your Orthophoto of your drone images already in a folder. So I'm just going to show you. I have it under this training here and under the Orthophoto mosaic here. So it's a TIFF file, so you can see it's already processed and it's Georeference file, right? So when you launch it to your AutoCAD Civil 3D, you come to your settings, you select your drawing name here, then you edit your drawing settings. So you need to set the coordinate system of your work environment to be on the same projection system of your drawing image. So I have WGS4, so that's the projection system my drawing images was processed on, zone 32. So if you don't know how to set coordinate system, you can check the description of this video to see how to set coordinate system of drawings within the AutoCAD Civil 3D. So that is zone 32 north. Okay, so I apply and OK. So after you set the coordinate system, you come to your command line, then type map w space. Select map w space. It will ask you to activate the task span. Click on. So you see the task span activated here, right? So you need to select this data here, manage data to connect. So when you select it, you will see connect data, click on that. So in case yours is not on add raster image or surface, you need to select that. When you select it, you can actually rename, but there's no need for that. You can now click on this icon, which is to add the file itself, or if you want to load a bulk of data, both surface model, which is Orthophoto in this case, drone images, and DTM, which is just the terrain elevation model. If you have all of those in a folder, you can click on this option. This option is to add a folder, while this option is to add a single file. So I'm just going to click on this option to add a single file. So therefore you can navigate to the folder where you have your Orthophoto, your DSM. Alright, so I have it here. So you select it, then you click on open. Automatically it's going to appear here. When it appears here, click on connect. And you can see that everything has been automatically detected. You can see the map coordinate system, right, for accuracy or precision measurements. So when all this appears, click on add to map. If you can't see add to map, click on the drop down and see add to map, select it. Then automatically it will be adding the Orthophoto into your Civil 3D. So it has appeared, so you can just close this. So this is a very easy, straightforward way to add your Orthophoto into your Civil 3D work environment. So you can go ahead to digitize if you want to create some detail or thematic features, extract it from this Orthophoto. Go ahead to perform the measurement. All of the images is georeferenced, so you can see the ID here, the coordinates X and Y. So guys, that's how to add your drone images, Orthophotos into AutoCAD Civil 3D. If you need this data set, check the comment section or the video description to see the platform to download drone data set for this kind of practice. Thank you. See you in the next video.